The Galaxy Watch 8 just changed the smartwatch game. Sleeker, smarter, and packed with Galaxy AI. This isn't just a new wearable. It's your new health, fitness, and lifestyle coach, right on your wrist. Let's break it down. The Galaxy Watch 8 starts with a whole new design language. It's Samsung's thinnest and lightest smartwatch ever, featuring a cushion-shaped case and a dynamic lug system that wraps your wrist for better comfort and more accurate sensor readings. Available in 40mm and 44mm sizes and classic finishes like silver and graphite, the minimalist design makes a big style statement without getting in the way of your workouts. And speaking of workouts, this watch is ready to move. The new 3nm processor delivers more power and better battery life, keeping up with your routines all day long. The display? An ultra-bright 3000 nit screen that stays visible even in direct sunlight. Perfect for tracking your run, checking notifications, or controlling your music without squinting. But the real magic is Galaxy AI. Let's talk sleep. Galaxy Watch 8 offers advanced sleep tracking, complete with sleep stage analysis, bedtime guidance, and personalized coaching. Over time, it even detects signs of moderate to severe sleep apnea using FDA-authorized tech. Wake up each morning with your energy score, a number that reflects your sleep quality, heart rate, and readiness for the day. Want more health insights? Watch 8 delivers. It tracks vascular load to help you understand heart stress while you sleep. It reads ECGs to detect irregular heart rhythms like AFib, and you'll get real-time alerts if anything unusual is detected. Even more impressively, it can measure your antioxidant levels with the world's first antioxidant index on a smartwatch. Just press your thumb to the sensor to get insights on your diet and internal health. That's not all. Galaxy Watch 8 also introduces the Ages Index, a metabolic health indicator that reflects how your lifestyle may be affecting aging. Add in calorie tracking, body composition analysis with the BIA sensor, and even medication reminders, and you've got a watch that acts more like a personal health assistant than just a fitness tracker. Mental wellness isn't left behind either. With mood check-ins, guided meditations powered by Calm, breathing exercises, and stress tracking, Watch 8 helps you manage your mind as well as your body. You can even track your menstrual cycle with overnight skin temperature monitoring, helping you plan ahead with confidence. Ready to run? The built-in running coach helps everyone from beginners to marathoners. You'll get a custom training plan based on your personal performance level, and 5 heart rate zones make it easy to see when to push harder or take it easy. From step counts to swim tracking, GPS to cycling FTP, the Galaxy Watch 8 is built for athletes of every kind. And here's a first: Galaxy Watch 8 is the world's first smartwatch with Google Gemini built right in. Just lift your wrist and talk. Want ideas for dinner? Need a playlist for an 8-minute mile pace? Gemini has you covered. Whether you're organizing your day, checking facts, or asking for advice, Gemini gives you smart answers fast. Customization is better than ever. One UI 8 for Watch brings it all together with the new Now bar, a glanceable, customizable dashboard that shows live weather, music controls, fitness stats, and more. And swapping out bands is seamless. Whether you prefer the breathable sport band, soft fabric band, hybrid, or athleisure style, there's a color and texture for every moment. In short, Galaxy Watch 8 is your personal coach, health tracker, sleep analyst, and productivity assistant, all in one elegant wearable. It's time to level up how you live, rest, move, and thrive. Pre-order now and save up to $200 with trade-in plus discounts on Galaxy Buds 3 Pro or Buds 3. Galaxy Watch 8, where slim meets smart.